Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want to design a professional looking ebook without complicated software, Canva makes the process simple and ready-made templates, drag and drop tools and easy PDF export. So in this guide I will show you step by step how to create an ebook in Canva in 2026 cleanly, correctly and like a pro. Okay, so first thing first, log into your account, click create. Look for ebook. Select the format. Okay, so wait for it till it opens. So now as you can see on the left sidebar, click template. So it's already open, so choose an example, for example like this, or look for it in the search bar. Okay, so templates provide structure and consistency. Okay, so now your cover should include a book title, subtitle, author, brand name, relevance, image, or graphic. Okay, so the cover creates the first impression. Okay, so now typical ebook sections, for example, we have introduction, chapters or topics, key points or tips. Okay, so now after that you can click share and download. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.